Good afternoon and welcome back to Quarantined with the Edge. It is Monday, which means that it's time for Steam Monday. And if it looks like I'm wearing the same clothes that I did on Wednesday, it's because I pre-recorded this. And I also have a nice fresh shave. A little bit of a fresh shave. My cheeks came out good. I might have cut myself a little bit too. But whatever, that's last week's problems. Today we are going to make some pop-up cards at home. Now I know that Father's Day is past by the time that this is done, but maybe you forgot, and you kind of need to get on top of that. So you can maybe make up for that by making a pop-up card. So you don't need much for materials. A couple pieces of paper. If you have thick paper, construction paper, that's really best. This is kind of cardstocky-ish. Printer paper you might want to have to double up with. I'm going to add a link that has some printables for decorating. You can make your own. There's plenty out there. Some markers just to write a nice message, scissors, and glue stick. All right, so let's get started. We are going to start off by folding our paper in half long ways. So that the crease is on our left side, right? That's our right side, creases on our left side. Now we're going to start making some little slits. We're going to cut about 1.5 inch slits along the paper. Not too far apart. Let's see. So we're going to make like tabs. So I'm going to cut a couple in the center here, a little off center, about yay big, and then a couple more over on the sides here, about yay big. So this all depends on how many items you are going to pop up. So mine, I just have the bear and the 2 trees, so that's 3. So I'm making 3 slits here for these 3 items that I am going to use for the pop-up. So now we're going to take it and we are going to kind of open this up a little bit, and we're going to push our tabs inward. 1, 2, and not as easy as I thought that would be. Come on. Come on. Alright. Well, good luck with this part. Maybe I need to do a little reverse fold here. Alright. That seems to be working a little bit. And now I'm going to try and fold my card back again. This is really not easy. I don't know why it's so hard to get my slits to fold inwards. Alright, I got 2 of them. Oh, I see. They're all at different lengths. Alright, you want to make sure that these are probably at about the same length. And that's my problem. So I have like 3 different lengths, as you can see. So I'm just going to try to even this out a little bit here. Probably should have measured this to make sure that they were all even. Oh well, too late now. I'm not getting a ruler and going back and doing that. Alright, so that's like mostly good. try to get these to just fold in for you. This is not as easy as I thought this would be. All right. Okay, I got it. That took about 2 minutes. So now I got that. And now we are going to open this up and start our glue sticking. So you leave it about like there. And now we're gonna, oh wow, my glue stick is empty. So important lesson, make sure that your glue sticks have glue in them before starting your craft videos. Otherwise, you kind of look like a fool. All right, I'm now going to glue the bottom half of these these tabs that I made earlier. And we're going to glue our little pieces on. So let's see, maybe I'll go this way. Then we're going to flip this over and grab another piece of paper. Ooh, or we can do a different color, but I'm going to use the red for this. And now we're just going to glue a whole new page on top of this one. So get out your craft glue, your glue stick, and just get glue all around. Actually, I'm not really sure. Don't glue the tabs though. Let those be open. Let your tabs be unglued, just in case. I don't know, that's just, doesn't seem like that's gonna work. But hey, who knows? So I'm gonna glue half, and then I'm gonna attach half, and then I'm gonna glue the other half. So I'm going to try to get this on to get my corners as equal as possible. Okay, and now I'm going to just flip this up and glue the other side. Make sure that I get all of the edges here. The edges are the most important part to glue when you're doing this. That way you don't have anything coming up that they don't break off on the sides, because that'll destroy your card the quickest. Just gonna keep gluing. I think I may have gotten a little bit of glue on my tabs. That was not smart of me. Hopefully it will not be the end of my project. All right, now I'm gonna just finish up here. Let's see what happens now. Yep, I think the one that I glued got a little messed up. All right. Yeah, I got a little glue in the middle tab. All right. So now, if we fold it, these guys should all fold down. Hopefully I'll get it close to being in the middle here. Fold it in half again. So when I open it, ta-da, you got a pop-up card. And now you can write a nice little message for whoever this is for. So let's just say Happy Father's Day, even though it's after Father's Day. Hopefully your penmanship is better than mine. And that you can do it a little bit more evenly. This kind of looks horrible, but whatever. Happy Father's Day, Dad. And you get a little pop-up. All right, there you go. Good luck, and I'll see you all later. Take care.